That's me, Fred the House Cat. When my family leaves for the day, I don't just sit inside watching the world go by. I become Nature Cat, backyard explorer extraordinaire.